ROAP is simple business software for running a modern garage. Simplify your daily operations and get more done. Cost estimates and online approvals. Create estimates by adding labour, parts and service bundles. Share estimates with customers for quick online approval. Convert approved estimates into jobs with invoicing and payment tracking. Job scheduling with an intuitive calendar. Schedule customers into available bays in just a few clicks. Track job duration and monitor technician performance. Keep your bays and technicians optimally loaded. All chats and calls in one window. Connect Instagram, WhatsApp, FB Messenger, SMS, and AI telephony. Create work orders and service appointments right during conversations. Automatically notify customers about status updates and completed work. Assign responsible staff and keep a full communication history. Automate your daily routine. Autofill vehicle details by VIN and keep a full service history. Separate customers from payers to streamline financial accounting. Collect feedback and Google Maps reviews automatically. Control stock levels and perform inventory checks with ease. Book a demo and try ROAP free today.